Hello everyone, welcome to the Developer Talks YouTube channel. Okay, open your browser, whichever you like, and just type Intellij ID for download. And think you can go to the first link, whichever you see. And once you click on that, it will take you to the Intellij website. And here you will see the two different types of IDs. One is the Community Edition, and the other one is a Ultimate Edition. Ultimate Edition will be the licensed one, so you can go with the Community Edition for now. So once you click on there, it will ask for the folder location and you can download it. Once the download is completed, you will see the IntelliJ application file, and once you click on that, you will see this kind of installation window, and you can click on next, and here you need to select the Java and click on next. And you can, if you want, you can just open a folder project and you can create an icon also. After that, you need to click on the install. If you want, you can add install these plugins later as well. It will take some time to complete the installation, and after this, I think Intellij is ready for your coding. Okay, once the installation is done, you can see this kind of thing, and you need to accept the agreement, and you can select the option don't send. If you send, whenever there is an error happens, it will report to the Intellij team so that they can fix it. If you want, you can import the settings from Visual Studio. I think I'm clicking on skip now. Once you click, this is how the Intellij application is like. From here, you can import a new project or you can create a new project. So for now, we will go with creating a new project. And for this, you need a JDK as a pre-install. And right now, I'm using JDK 11. So in the first field, you need to enter your project title. So you can enter your project title there. Right now, I'm going with the project name as practice, since we will be practicing something here. So after that, you can, in the build system, you can select the Maven. Maven is one of the build tool for the Java applications. So after that, in the advanced settings, you need to give the group ID and the artifact ID. This will be useful when your application is building. Once you finish that, you will see this kind of the project opening in your IntelliJ. So if you expand the left side project folder, you will see a source folder, and this is the main.java file which it will be run, and this is the pom.xml where we maintain all the dependencies of our project needs to be stored. If you see the project structure, it contains the source folder, and inside that we will have the other folder structure, and this is the pom.xml, and where we maintain the project versions and what is the Java version we need for this project and all these things. And if you look at this main method, this is the main class where it the when you run an application starts the execution. So before this, okay, this is the all executable libraries which we have. These are all came from the Java libraries, predefined libraries, which we will be using for writing code in our applications. So before running the main class, we just needs to build our project. On the right side, you can see there is a Maven symbol, M symbol. You can click on that, and if you need to click on that install, when you click on this install, this the Maven, which is project build tool. It will download all the required dependencies for this project, which is mentioned in the pom.xml, and it will attach to the project, and so that you can use those libraries in your project to use the code and existing functionalities based on your requirement. Um, this will take a while. You need to wait till the build is getting success. Yeah, you can see now the build is get succeeded. Means the build tool, the Maven, it downloaded all the dependencies and attached to our project. So now we go and just run our application and see how it is executing. So from here you can click on that play button and you can run our application. Once you click on that run, your project will your application will build and start running your in your IDE, and it will execute this main method that is by default Java executes. So here they're doing two things. One is just printing hello and welcome, and after that they're printing some integer within the for loop of 5 times. So you can see the output in the console there. And if you want, we'll make a small change and see how it is printing the change here. So for now, I just want to in this video I just want to just change um, the hello and welcome message and remove that for loop for now and execute our again. So here, hello, and I would like to mention um, welcome to developer talks, and we'll remove this for loop and we'll save this file again, and we'll run the again this main method and see how our changes are getting reflected and what are the outputs we see in the console. The output gonna change and it will just print hello and welcome to the developer talks. Yeah, that's it in this tutorial. We'll see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye.